Hey, where's my ski jacket?
I took it.
We'll give it back, because I've been looking for it for an hour and a half. You want me to turn on the hot tub?
Nope.
What are you watching?
A movie.
You talk to your parents like this? What are you guys drinking?
Some Tweez.
You know what this tastes like? This reminds me of a 40-mile ride on the bike path with the guys, and your legs are screaming, but you've got a nice tailwind going. Man, this is some good shit, huh? This tastes like you're getting the first chair up at Sunapee, you're taking Friday off, and you're getting some powder with your wife. It tastes like it's the 80s, and I'm back behind the boat water skiing, and they're cheering me on to drop the ski, and I say, you know what? It's summertime. Let's try it.
Can you just move?
I gotta tell you guys this joke. Did you hear about the restaurant on the moon? Great food, no atmosphere. These guys are clever, and it's not political. Ah! This tastes like, you know, the Weather Channel was talking about some powder, but we didn't know how many inches we were gonna get. And then we got a nice 2 inches of powder at 4 a.m. Right, Ollie?
Mm-hmm.